Hey everybody, today we're at Dawes Arboretum in Ohio. Came out here to get some cool shots of the cabin, so I want to be very careful. I know it's a very sensitive place to shoot, and see what kind of cool things we can get. It's a little chilly. I'm not normally from Ohio, I'm from California, and so all the people around here say that this isn't even cold yet. If I can see my breath, I consider that to be a little cold. Alright you guys, I've been out here for a while this morning, and as beautiful as it keeps on getting with the sun and everything, we are losing our golden hour. So that's when everything's kind of this really gold casted color, but now it's just kind of looking like daylight with shadows. So I have one more battery with the Mavic here. I want to hook it back up. There's another location I wanted to get before I left this park, and it's a cemetery. Now the thing is, I'm noticing more people this morning walking around, and the last thing I want to do is disturb anyone. I want to be as respectful as possible. And so let's hook it back up. Let's head over there. If we get something, great. If we don't, I'm very grateful for what we have. This has been awesome out here. I've never shot anything like this before. This is my first time using the Mavic out like this and creating something with just these two cameras. So let's check it out. So I just stopped up here to get some more shots, only to realize my camera card is full. So I'm gonna complete this on my phone. And my phone has respectable quality. I enjoy shooting on my phone, but my Canon's dead. Hunting season just started today in Ohio, and I keep hearing gunshots. I know I'm in a public park, and I don't think I'm gonna get shot out here, but it's kind of nerve-wracking to just hear gunshots in all directions. I had to have heard close to 50 by now. They just keep popping off. One reason why I wanted to shoot here is because of how old these graves are. I think some of these date back to the 1700s. One lady was walking, and then a truck drove by. Luckily I saw her first because the truck came after. I was able to land the drone, and I didn't want to sketch anyone out, so I just packed up. Now I'm back. There's one last place I want to shoot. I feel very good about today. I feel good about the morning shots I got of the cabin, some of the B-roll stuff that I got. I'm very happy. So you might notice out here are these little stems coming up from the ground. They're actually coming from the water that's out here, and they are the roots of these trees, and it looks like they come up for air. If I pronounce it correctly, they are called pneumatophores, but I'll leave that to you to pronounce yourself because I probably butchered it. Or maybe I got it right, I don't know. But they're also called knees. Alright guys, I've depleted all my batteries. My Canon card is full, which I didn't expect, but now that I think about it, I was shooting 60 frames per second, which I normally don't do, so I know that had to bump up my space there. All I got left is my phone, and I don't think my phone is going to do any justice for the rest of this trip. So, but the main thing is, I got everything I wanted to get. With the exception of the Canon shots in the very end. I actually really wanted to get the Canon shots here with the mixture of the drone, but like I said before, I'm grateful for what I have. Let's get out of here. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.